So we are here today at the open house for STR38 Motorsports, celebrating the 1-year anniversary of the first M4 GT3 win done at Mugello by Samantha Racing. Let's take a walk around. They even got a food truck out here.
Yeah, that's fine.
See if we can take a look at some of the BMWs that have shown up. A lot of them.
Right here.
A lot of good looking cars. Not necessarily BMWs either. So this is the guy who does all the artwork, or at least the art director for Hot Wheels. Some cool looking Porsches. It's a GT3 Cup car. What the hell? Plus picnic table. GT3 RS. Got some Ferraris here as well. X6M. E36. Alright, so that's basically the end of the street this way. We'll walk around the other way as well. It's F82. Nice E38. What?
I turned around to go this way. It was like perfect timing.
I'm trying to cross back across the street over here. Take a look on the other side.
I just recently sold my black ones. They're all around there. Not even a month ago.
Oh yeah.
They went from the mirror, but
Come on.
the mirror is like diagonal.
I believe this is Dylan's E30 M3 manual, and he's driving this with a torn rotator cuff.
I don't think one. I don't know why you did it.
I wanted to eat that
Alright, now we're going to take a look at the inside of the shop.
I mean, if I don't have to be on the outside, I
Yeah, put it in there now.
So under wraps are the new liveries for their M4 GT4s, the G82 chins.
North America as well.
Yeah, small meat bro. Great price.
Sam,
Hello, hello.
thanks for having Cece out here for your open house.
Thank you guys for
Excited
coming.
to see the new GT4 livery
I know, we're unveiling shortly.
very shortly. Then-
I don't know, like half an hour?
2 weeks, yeah, 2 weeks from now, you're at Sonoma, and you just got your Nürburgring license. Congratulations.
Thank you. The conditions were terrible, but you know we did.
All right, thank you, Sam, for your time.
Aw, thank you
See you
guys.